Hello, dear students. Today we are going to begin with section 4, that is History of Novel. Last year in 11th standard we had studied the history of drama, and in 12th standard we are going to study history of novel. Now, what is a novel? Let us first see what is a novel. Novel is a book that tells a story about people and events that are not real. A definition is given of novel. A novel is a relatively long narrative fiction which describes intimate human experiences, normally in a prose form. We will discuss about the features of novels, but before that, let us first discuss about the difference between novel and drama. In drama, we saw last year that drama is based on dialogues. That means there are dialogues in any of the drama. And drama is written for the sake of performance, whereas novel has different focuses. It is flexible, there is no restriction, it is totally based on imagination, and that is why drama is different from a novel. Now, novel is a gift from 18th century. The 18th century was the age of intellectual, sentimental and realistic plane, and tried to instruct the readers which would help them to a more purposeful and virtuous life. Since the time of its origin, novel has been gaining popularity and growing gradually. Today, it is recognized as the most dominant literary genre. Novel is gift from 18th century, that means it started being written from 18th century onwards. Now, the first novel which is said to be Murasaki Shikibu's Tale of Jinji, which was written in 1010. It has been described the world's first novel. The European novel is often said to begin with Don Quixote, written by Miguel de Cervantes. He was a Spanish writer, and this Don Quixote was published in two parts between 1605 and 1615. Now, the present English word novel is derived from Italian novella, which means new. A novel narrates a story, embellishing it with more details of time, place, nature, people, and their minds, their gestures, as well as activities. We get pure details of all these things. It creates the picture of the society of that time. Novel makes life easier to understand than in drama and poetry. In modern era, novel has adopted literary prose. Now it has become a literary genre, and it has a history of about 2000 years. The 18th century new literature was characterized by the spirit of realism and denial of romantic features like enthusiasm, passion, and imagination. The foreground for the novel was prepared by all these factors. Now let us see the features of novel. Novel is a combination of some features of drama and poetry, and some new features were added to the form, and now it has become a literary genre. Novel encompasses the social, political, and cultural happenings and scientific progress. Novel appears to have been designed to voice the aspirations of the middle and lower classes and meet their longings. The spread of machines provided time to the educated middle class for reading and discussions about the books. This was the main reason why novels became very popular. Realistic picture of everyday life and problems of common people are depicted in novels which appeals the newly educated class and was regarded as respectable reading material. Let us see some famous examples of famous novels. The first novel, that is Don Quixote, written by a Spanish writer, Miguel de Cervantes. Now this novel, although it was the first novel, it was in controversy. Many people claim some other novels to be the first novel. Then The Pilgrim's Progress by John Bunyan in 1678 and Oronoku by Aphra Behn in 1688 initiated the plenteous and colorful tradition of English novel. This was followed by Daniel Defoe's Robinson Crusoe, Moll Flanders. Now this Robinson Crusoe was a very famous novel of 18th century. It had no artificial language, and that is why it was very popular. Then Jonathan Swift, he wrote Gulliver's Travel, which was a very famous satire. Other major novelists of 18th century are Samuel Richardson. He wrote Pamela or Virtue Rewarded and Clarissa, both epistolary novels. Then Henry Fielding, Laurence Sterne and Tobias Smollett. The tradition was enriched by many other stalwart novelists such as Charles Dickens. Now friends, let me tell you, Charles Dickens was a 19th century writer and he wrote on child suffering. In the same time, same era, Sir Walter Scott also was a very famous novelist. And Jane Austen, simple but confusing novels were written on women and their sufferings. Then Thomas Hardy, Wilkie Collins, H.G. Wells, all these were the famous writers of 19th century. 20th century is marked by the modern topics and innovative styles and techniques and widened angles of the views by the novelists like E. M. Forster, James Joyce, Joseph Conrad, Henry James, George Orwell, Graham Greene, D. H. Lawrence, William Golding, Anthony Burgess, etc. They widened the circumference of the genre by writing political, social, psychological, and other modern issues in their novels. Then, in the same period, 20th century, as I told you, it was the century when psychoanalysis, logic were given more importance. Virginia Woolf, Dorothy were the famous novelists of that time. Virginia Woolf is a pioneer of the stream of consciousness technique in English novel. Then George Eliot wrote the novels reflecting psychological insight. Then novel based on science of the age, Frankenstein by Mary Shelley, are the landmark novels. Agatha Christie created her own place by writing many novels based on crime. Then there are immigrant authors as well in this period like Salman Rushdie, India, V.S. Naipaul, Trinidad, Kazuo Ishiguro, Japan, and many others. Now let us see the Indian scenario of novels. Rajmohan's Wife by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay, serialized in the Indian field, was the first novel in English written by an Indian. The period after that is marked by few more novels written by the Indian writers. These novels bore either nationalistic virtues or social issues as their main framework. Some of the examples are Muluk Raj Anand, R.K. Narayan, the story which we studied recently, An Astrologer's Day, was written by him, and Raja Rao, were the major trio who prevailed in the period after that. Novelists like Anita Desai, Nayantara Sehgal, and Arun Joshi, and even Manohar Malgaonkar changed the current of Indian English novel through their works. Amitav Ghosh, Vikram Sheth, and Upamanyu Chatterjee, they added new features to the Indian novels. Recent years have witnessed the dazzling performance by Indian novelists like Salman Rushdie, Arvind Adiga, Arundhati Roy, Kiran Desai, and Kiran Nagarkar. The tradition of Indian English novel has undergone the vital change since its birth, and it has undoubtedly been very bright future.